How to repair business credit. There are three main credit reporting bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet, D&B, Experian, and Equifax. FICO SBSS is also vital. There are four main business credit scores. Dun & Bradstreet Paydex score runs from 0 to 100. 80 or better is good. With Experian's IntelliScore runs from 0 to 100. 76 or better is good. The Equifax credit risk score also runs from 0 to 100. 90 or better is good. And there's also the FICO SBSS, that is, the FICO Small Business Scoring Service. A big part of repairing your business credit means disputing errors. All of the business credit reporting agencies want their reports to be right, so they welcome your disputes. They have differing means of disputing. Be sure to check. Disputes nearly always mean receipts and other proof and crystal clear communications, even clearer than you may think you need to be. Let's look at Experian Business Credit Scoring. IntelliScore is the second most popular score after Paydex. Their most recent score system is IntelliScore Plus. IntelliScore Plus takes into account hundreds of variables to offer a score between 0 and 100. It predicts a business's risk of going seriously delinquent, or over 91 days late, or having a major financial issue like bankruptcy in the next 12 months. What goes into Experian's IntelliScore Plus? Over 800 aggregates or factors affect credit scores. Experian first reviews business data segments like firmographics, public records, collections, and trade information, then places each business in one of three different models. It offers a blended owner model with both commercial data and the owner's consumer information. Since this score includes consumer data, it is one of the only scores someone needs your permission to pull. 76 to 100 is low risk. 11 to 75 is medium risk in varying degrees. And 1 to 10 is high risk. What's Experian blended scoring all about? When trouble hits a business, blended scores drop an average of 30% over the 4 quarters leading up to the bad event. But consumer scores of an owner show no statistically significant decline over the same period. The score evaluates personal information on the owner as it relates to the business performance. Let's look at an Experian IntelliScore breakdown. It has 5 different components. Historical behavior and age, industry, size are each worth for 5 to 10%. Credit utilization and derogatory items each count for 10 to 15%. Payments and balances are worth 50 to 60%. IntelliScore is based on the number of trade experiences, outstanding balances, payment habits, credit utilization, trends over time, public record recency, frequency, and dollar amount, and demographics like years on file, SIC codes, and business size. What goes into disputing Experian? Get your company's Experian report at businesscreditfacts.com/pdp.aspx?PG equals search form. You can dispute inaccuracies on your small business's Experian report by following the directions here. Experian.com/small-business/business-credit-information.jsp or dispute online at Experian.com/disputes/main.html. What goes into disputing Experian by other means? You can email businessdisputes@Experian.com or rfr@Experian.com or write to Experian Commercial Relations, RFR. P.O. Box 5001, Costa Mesa, California, 92628-5001. And to get the status of your dispute, call 888-211-0728 and select option 5. Take a look at an Experian sample, beginning with the starting score. Let's look at more of an Experian sample starting score. And more of an Experian sample starting score. And even more of an Experian sample starting score. Let's look at our Experian sample from 6 months later. And here's more of our Experian sample from 6 months later. and more of our Experian sample from 6 months later. Repair your business credit and go beyond disputes. Paying on time and in full will raise your business credit scores more than anything else. Paying early is even more helpful. Also, don't apply for too much credit at a time, as too many inquiries will lower your scores. Instead, use a business credit builder service. Keep track of your credit. Don't let problems slide. And don't forget to monitor your business credit. Catch problems before they worsen. Know what is happening with your credit. Make certain it is being reported and take care of any mistakes as soon as possible. Get in the habit of checking credit reports. Dig into the specifics and not just the scores. We can help you monitor business credit at Experian and D&B for only $24 a month. See creditsuite.com/monitoring. Let's recap. All 3 of the big business CRAs welcome your disputes. They want their reports to be right. Each CRA has its own scoring system and its own way of handling disputes. Raise your scores by paying on time and keep inquiries low, and monitor your business credit to nip problems in the bud. Contact us today to learn more about how to repair business credit.